Ano kayo dyan, Faye?
Retouch.
Ganun.
So, nagtutourist tayo dito ngayon.
Ano naman yun?
Sabi niya gusto mo daw bumili.
Tawa lang tayo tapos hindi natin naintindihan.
Tingnan ko. Dito kami ngayon guys sa... Ano pangalan ng temple?
What's one kuha?
What's one something? Tingnan ko ha kung ano to sa akin.
Nag-English ka kasi eh.
Nandito kami ngayon sa...
What's one kuha?
Yeah.
We're exploring for today's video.
Yung mga dogs and everything. Ulan siya niyo.
Ano ba yun?
Nakakaloka, hindi siya maano. Nandito kami ngayon sa isang temple sa Thailand kung saan may milagrong nagaganap.
Uy, mag-video tayo ng papasok sa atin.
Oo nga pala.
Wait lang.
Okay guys, hi everyone. So I'm holding Cookie's phone. Some gadget. So I'm gonna vlog on behalf of her. So right now we're at the top of the mountain inside a cave.
Amazing.
Inside of the cave.
Amazing. Amazing Thailand. Sadika.
No. You need to do the You need to do the
Sadika.
Sawadika. Mabuhay. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay. Protect me naman.
And this is Michelle. Go girl. Coffee's life. Coffee's life, girl. Gusto mo to, di ba? Pinasok mo. Paglaban mo. Charot lang. Go girl.
Amazing.
Hala, oo.
So, ayoko may nagre-relax na ibon dito.
Sige, asa na kayo, mga ibon kayo.
So, ito na nga. Aakyat na nga kami, di ba? So, ayan. May couple dyan sa likod. Uy, basa siya, min. Ay, basa ka ba? Uy, sorry, Buddha. Ano? Oh my God, nabasa na dyan ko.
Inay.
Yate.
Nakasandal ka pa naman.
Ano ba, no? Isa ko mag-video, eh. Kasi drip ako Oh my God. Look. So we are here now in the cave. We should keep quiet. Because they said you should be quiet up here. And look. Say that. So we will go up. Oh my gosh. Wala na. Ay, naku. Baba na lang tayo. Oh my God. So tired. I am super duper. What's up there? Nothing. So, here's the whole view of the cave. So, I'm here. So, we have to go down there. We have to go back down there upstairs. I'm not going there because there's something there. So,
I-insert the money at saka mag-pray ka.
ขอญาติโยมจงตั้งใจรับพร อะภิวาทนาสีริสะนิจจังวุธาปจายโนจัตตารโอธรรมาวัฏทันติอายุวันโนสุขังภะลังเชิญเสียงเซียมซี
เสียนนะอุ้ย number 3 number 3 kami. Oh my God. Bakit? Hala!
Bad luck.
Sunugin mo siya. Tingnan mo.
You are facing lots of trouble. Success is yet to reach. Enemies are keeping their eyes on you. Unhappy though, having food in your table and having couch to lay on. It seems that none of the moments of your life is. I don't believe this. However, if you're involved in a lawsuit, you're still someone who can pass. You're not in the line. You're escaping just because should your favorite be a mate for quite a while. Ano po bad luck?
Patingin.
Bad luck
You
sa
are facing
kanya.
lots of trouble.
Isa pa. Sige.